Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you, friends. This is the exercise number 43. This is also a very simple SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. We will learn the use of sketch, smart dimension, circle command, chamfer command, line command, trim command, boss extrude, and extrude cut commands from this SolidWorks 2020 free exercise video. We are going to use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Press S.
Now take the line command.
Press S.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 100 millimeters. Distance is 80 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Make equal. Height is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Distance is 50 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Repeat as earlier.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 40 millimeters. Distance is 30 millimeters. Width is 10 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take Trim Entities command.
Height is 25 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 25 millimeters.
Press OK.
Left-click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take the Line command.
Press S.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 30 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
From Featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select Up to Next.
Press OK.
Press Space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View. Left-click on this surface and select Sketch.
Now take Circle command.
Press S.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 24 millimeters. Diameter is 30 millimeters. Distance is 25 millimeters. Distance is 25 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined.
Height is 5 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Height is 5 millimeters.
Press OK.
Fillet radius is 2 millimeters. Take Fillet command. Fillet radius is 2 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press Space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View.
Congratulations!
This is the part, which we were trying to design using SolidWorks 2020. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.